So this is the blizzard of 2009. Today's December 19th. This started yesterday at about 7 p.m. and as you can see, we are snowed in. This door will not open. There's probably 16 inches and it is still falling. Still snowing and snowing and snowing. And somewhere out there is my car. Somewhere there's a car in there. Wonder how long it's going to take me to uncover it and get it back to normal. Well, we've been dreaming of a white Christmas. I think this is pretty close. My runway lights, as Edison calls them, for the yard are covered. They're very large. They're about more than 12 inches tall and on stakes in the ground, and so now they're just basically covered. Porch is covered. Looks more like a snow slide. And good thing I bought a snow shovel for the new house because I think we'll be needing it. Merry White Christmas.